Opening another Topps Match Attax 23-24 booster pack. Here we go, straight into it. We have code cards. Then we have Geronimo Rulli for Ajax. We have Willy Orban for Leipzig. Santiago Jimenez for Feyenoord. Eduardo Camavinga for Real Madrid. Alexis McAllister for Liverpool. Anthony for Man United. Lucas Susic for Salzburg. Dazen Maeda for Celtic. Fashion Sakala for Rangers. Great name. We have Jamal Lascelles, Newcastle captain. We have Leon Goretzka battler. Nice. Brian Laudrup, cult hero. And is there anything behind? No, just them. Not the best pack.